Difficult to grow Anthurium plants. The growing Anthurium plants can be tricky, but understanding their specific needs will help you to cultivate them successfully. Here are some common challenges people face and tips to overcome them. The first one is watering issue. The anthuriums are sensitive to overwatering and underwatering, so you need to water them once the top 1 to 2 inch of the soil feels dry. Ensure the pot has proper drainage to prevent root rot. Use lukewarm water to avoid choking the roots. The second one is humidity level. Anthuriums thrives in high humidity, that's around 60 to 80%. Dry environment can shut their growth or cause leaf browning. Use a humidity tray, mist the plant or place humidifier nearby, especially during winter when indoor air tend to be dry. So this is the solution. The third one is lighting. The anthuriums don't like the direct sunlight, which may scorch their leaves, while too little light can be resulting fewer in blooms and laggy growth. The solution is place the anthurium plant in a bright indirect light. Follow these tips and grow your healthy plants. Happy gardening.